In this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can make $15,000 in 1 week with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. Now, as you see over on my screen, I'm showing my IG Instagram account, and the reason why is because later you can find me, you can DM me, you can send me any message you want over here on my Instagram account. As you can see over here, this is my IG account, right? And I'm showing you this because I want to help you to become a super affiliate with ClickBank affiliate marketing, so you can have the similar results as you can see here on my screen. Now let's go straight into it. Don't waste any more time. Let's go straight into how you can make money with Facebook ads methodology using ClickBank weight loss offers. As you can see over here, right? So as you know, on social media, we have people who are in the unaware state. So basically, people like me and you, they are going on Facebook to connect to friends and family members. So basically, you wanna go on the iPhone, on Samsung, whatever we use, to chat with our friends. We are not on Facebook to get sold, right? Remember this. You are not on Facebook to see the Facebook ads, right? You don't wake up in the morning and expect Facebook ads to bombard you like this with different offers. Of course not, right? So what you're doing, basically, if you want to make $10,000 per month with Facebook ads using ClickBank affiliate marketing, as a beginner, you have to understand the audience awareness levels. You have unaware audiences, problem-aware audiences, solution-aware audiences, product-aware audiences, right? And totally unaware cold traffic audiences, right? People who don't have a clue about what you're selling, what is your ad about, right? So in this case, as you can see on my screen, right, we have unaware audiences. So we have to ask ourselves the question, which is this: what is the market unaware of that we need to make them aware of? And then they are experiencing something they are not conscious aware of. You want to bring consciousness, awareness to them. And why? Right? Why? Like, for example, people in the low emotional states and high emotional states, they ask themselves this question every single day. Why? Like, why am I fat? Why am I broke? Why am I not getting results? Right? Why plus their actual experience they're not happy with is equal gets their attention, right? We have to get the attention, right? Attention, interest, desire, action. That's the whole formula of copywriting in affiliate direct response affiliate marketing, right? So if you want to make $10,000 per month, $20,000 or $30,000 per month, you have to have someone who will help you along the way, step by step, along one-on-one, right? So that's what you need. Now, why many people are struggling with Facebook ads? So why many people are saying, oh, this is a scam, it doesn't work, I tried it, I lost a lot of money? You know why? Because you have different language patterns. You see, with affiliate marketing, ClickBank, MaxWeb, right? Whatever you're using, CPA affiliate marketing platforms, it's all about the language patterns you're using on your landing page. Like if you use ClickFunnels, affiliate, ClickBank offers, right? It's all about towards and away language, right? Towards the pain language and away from the solution language. So it depends what kind of language you're using on your pre-sale pages that it will determine if you get sales or you lose money, right? That's very important, the language using. So the big problem here is most ads, right? Most ads are solution based, and most VSLs, video sales letters, are they're opening with problems, right? With horrific horror story on ClickBank or MaxWeb, right? cancer, diabetes, right? HIV, whatever, right? All these things are horrific horror stories that work on emotional psychology of the customer, right? So they go all backwards, right? But in the end, you have to remember, right? You have to leave the solution first. Why? All this makes your Facebook ads convert a lot more, 75% more, right? So as you're watching this video right now, what you can do next is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can connect with me one-on-one after watching this YouTube video. So all the links are in the description below. But first of all, you need to have minimum $500 to $10,000 if you really want to make this your lifetime business security, where you will be able to make $1,000 per week or $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. So let me know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and below this video are going to be links to my Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, where you can call me, and also my other social media accounts. So let me know, email me, text me, and let's make something happen.